This is 1932 Reproduction Packard Roadster. It's first of all, when you look at it, it just is flawless. So it would have to be an excellent redo of the original or a reproduction. But I've never heard of a reproduction 1932 Packard. But they make them. It's the fenders are fiberglass. The hood is metal. So this is a combination of materials. But look at the dual mounted spares with the mirrors mounted on them. Everything is, of course, perfect. And the owner of this evidently owns the real thing. He owns a real 32. And as to what chassis this is mounted on, what engine it has, I don't know. I couldn't really get a chance to talk to the owner about that, but at any rate, when you look inside, you're going to see the tip-offs that this is a reproduction. And that's made clear by the instrument cluster there in the middle, modern gauges really. And the steering column, you know that it's got to be something modern under the hood. I don't know what it is, but at any rate, it's just beautifully done. And of course it would have the benefits of reliability of a modern engine and transmission. The upholstery is something else. Of course the wide white walls and the stance of the car is a modern chassis. You know, you got there we have the rumble seat. And of course the luggage carrier in the back, which would fold down to hold a trunk. That was the way things are done when you didn't have a trunk. You added one on a carrier in the back. This very, very well done. Tried to get a peek through the vents there on the side, see what was inside, but I couldn't really tell. Very neat.